Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Anna Vanila Arts. I'm Anna Vanila and this is my project for today. As you can see, it's a finished project. It's a hat, a beautiful hat from turquoise color, almost turquoise color I think I call this, with the plot on the side. Yes, the plot is not in the center, it's not at the side, the left side, it's on, actually it's on the left side, you're right, yeah. So on the left side, to create sort of like an accent. And it's I made this hat to be in a set with this Bactus. Bactus means something between shawl and scarf, and this is exactly that. This is Bactus with a plot in the center. As you can see, it's triangular with handles here, strings here. Now let's focus on this particular project, which is a hat. I absolutely love it. I think it's fantastic. It's the combination of purl stitch and front stitch. It's nothing difficult here to make. It's in fact good for beginners. As you can see, this is the top part of the hat. It's nicely done, nicely accentuated. This is stitched at the back. This is a stitch at the back that you can almost not see. It's nearly invisible, and this is how it's been hidden by myself. It's hidden here. You see the fluffy bits here. I've done my best to make sure this hat looks at its best, to look as if this hat was bought in the shop rather than made by hand. So I've impregnated certain things in here to guarantee quality, and for me to feel kind of proud and unique when I'm wearing it. I think you could also do this hat easily yourself. Why not? It's fantastic. It could be done in yellow colors, in pink colors will look fantastic, and even if it's made of cotton it would look fantastic. It doesn't have to be a hat purely for winter. It could be even for the summertime, something for recreation, for travel times. It will be just fantastic. I love this design. I think it's perfect. The plaiting here, it's just so rich and so like uniquely done, and I've used this kind of item. It's like a needle, bent needle, as you can see, yeah. And I would hide or do the front stitches and so on, and you get this effect in the end whilst using this item, and it turned out to be quite nice. Possibly you need to have a bit more patience doing this project, but why not? It's when it's an item looking as good as this, it's absolutely fantastic to do. It's a pleasure to make. It's rather a pleasure than doing it as a work. It's actually a pleasure to make something happen like this, something beautiful as this. And I would be wearing this item, this hat, with this Bactus here, so as you can imagine it's a good set, and it will keep my ears warm this winter and the spring, and I think it will look terrific on me, especially if I have makeup colors in variety of this color. It could work nicely with blue colors, with green colors, easily, because this is sort of like a color in between the blue and green. I think you would agree with me. And it's acrylic yarn. As I told you before, I can't knit anything in other than acrylic or cotton, which is so much more natural. I'm against animal fur, and animal fur gives me allergies, so I can't accept knitting from that, so I just accept acrylic. It's easily washable and easy care, and I think it's more certainty when you do use acrylic or cotton yarn than using a fur type threads. Okay, darling, thank you very much. Darlings, thank you very much for watching and subscribing, and see you next in another video for next items I'm making. Bye. Love you.